Reaction is when acid react with metallic oxide. Like calcium oxide, copper oxide and magnesium oxide. Now, when this calcium oxide CaO plus react with hydrochloric acid, it will form calcium chloride plus water. This is the calcium oxide, and this is calcium chloride. When the calcium oxide react with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, it will form salt and water, and calcium chloride and water. Another one, the CuO. When the CuO copper oxide react with hydrochloric acid, it will form copper chloride plus water, and this is salt of copper chloride, and this is a copper oxide. Copper oxide. This is the first reaction, second reaction, and the third reaction. When the magnesium oxide react with hydrochloric acid, it will form magnesium chloride and water, and this whole reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. This whole reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. Why it is called neutralization reaction? Because the metallic oxide, when the metallic oxide react with the acid, they form salt and water, and the metallic oxide is the basic oxide. Metallic oxide is the basic oxide. That is why when it react with this acid and they form salt and water, and this whole reaction is called neutralization reaction. Now it is clear? Now here I am writing metallic oxide plus acid, it will form salt plus water. Remember this one. If you know very well this one, you will not do wrong during writing the chemical equations. Now this much is clear. Now the next point is, shall I rub? I think you have copied. Sixth point is conduction of electricity. Conduction of electricity. The solution of acid in water conduct electricity. Now conduction of electricity, a solution of acid in water conduct electricity. Now here it is an experiment, and that experiment you make the project also. Now suppose here it is a beaker, and the acid solution is here, and here it is a cork, and embedded an iron nail and connected with the, this is one bulb, and it is connected with the switch, and it is connected with the 6-volt battery, and another one is connected with this one, the positive and negative. The current will pass from positive to this one, and here it is the acid solution. It means when the current is passing from here to here, and this solution conduct the electricity, and at that time you will see that the bulb is glowing. It means that the acid solution conduct electricity. Now it is clear to you. Now after that I will explain you the uses of acids.